Hey y'all, I'm Pruitt. Hope y'all doing well. I'm unbelievable as always. This is just a quick video because I got the GoPro Black 9 Black Hero. It's what is this? It's the GoPro Hero 9 Black. That's the name of it. That's what it's called. Got that delivered. Actually, Mr. Laporte got it delivered to him because he ordered this for himself. But I wanted to do a demo of it in a review for Hands on Tech. So make sure you subscribe to that channel to check out that review when it gets done. But that's not what this video is about. This video is just a quick little unboxing. I've already taken the little paper cardboard sleeve off of this. That's what I just showed you. But this is the box, and I'll go ahead and open it again because I've opened it a few minutes ago while recording, but didn't have my audio recorded. Idiot. Anyway, so let me go ahead and open this up and just show it to you. It's just another action camera. See if I can show you the camera there. There we go. All right, so this is their latest action camera, the Hero 9 Black. You get 20 megapixels on the stills. You get up to 5K resolution at 30 frames per second. You can shoot 4K video resolution at 60 frames per second. You can shoot 1080p at 240 frames per second for that really smooth, buttery, slow motion footage if you want to capture that. But this is it. This is a little bit bigger than what the typical GoPro and action cameras look like. I got a faux pro over here somewhere. Let me see if I got it. Let's see. Where's my faux pro? Is it right here? Yeah, here it is. So this is a faux pro that I have. Okay, and this is the Dragon Touch, pretty standard size, right? So now let's compare it to the Hero 9. Focus. Will it focus on one? There we go. It did. See, it's a little bit larger. All right. Well, with it being a little bit larger, that means a couple things. You got some extra guts in there for processing, and GoPro is really strong with its video stabilization technology. I don't know if I've seen anybody better than them. If anybody will give them a run for their money, it's Insta360 and that 1R. I did a review and demo of that already. You can check that out on Hands on Tech as well. But this thing here is supposedly has improved video stabilization, and I'm curious to see that because, like I said, their stabilization was already really good. But okay, we'll go back to looking at the camera. Okay, so this is the front of the camera. You got your lens output and whatnot, wide angle, of course, but it also has this extra display, LCD display on the front of it. So that's perfect for if you're going to be doing selfies and holding it like this. You got yourself framed up and you can see yourself in the frame. Make sure your head's not cut off or anything like that. Typical LCD on the back. It has a bunch of other features as far as being able to connect your smartphone to it, so you can control some things on there like time lapse and things like that. Or it even has a hyperlapse mode that you can set up, and I'm gonna try all of that stuff out. This particular package, it will cost you, I believe it's $349 or $399. I gotta look because off the top of my head I don't remember. Yeah, it is. It's $349 on the website if you just get their standard package. And if you want to do like this bundle that they have, you can get the 1-year subscription of GoPro, and that's where you get some cloud storage and other features like that. But that's the $349 package, and you get 1-year subscription of GoPro. If you don't want that 1-year subscription, you get it for $449. So you basically, pay the extra $100 and so forth. But yeah, the GoPro subscription gives you unlimited cloud storage. This bundle also comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card, 2 extra batteries. Well, not 2 extra batteries, 1 extra battery, because you get 1 to power it up and 1 spare. And then it also comes with this, let me show it to you on the screen again. Let's see, this extra little mount, and it comes with this little grip here. So you put the mount on top of the grip, and you can mount the camera to the mount, and you have a little grip. So if you want to hold it like this for selfie mode and vlogging mode, you're good to go. And there's the SD card that's included on the inside. That's a UHS-2 SD card from SanDisk, a pretty good SD card. I've used a lot of those cards. But yeah, this is a pretty nice looking package. I like the little box that it comes in. Nice and easy to stow your stuff away. It's not too big. You can throw it in your backpack, or just throw it over in a corner like what I'm about to do right now. But yeah, this is Mr. Laporte's. He just told me I can borrow it and play around with it, and I'll eventually give it back to him. Eventually. Anyway, check that out. This is just a quick little unboxing. I'm looking forward to playing with this and seeing how I can work this into my workflow, because off the top of the head, I'm thinking this will be a very, very limited use for me, from the way that I like to shoot and play around. But yeah, we'll see. I'll share my thoughts on it later, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to Hands on Tech, twit.tv/height. All right, that's it. I will catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting the like. Thanks for commenting below and subscribing and sharing and all that good stuff. It's good to see y'all over here. Hope you're doing well, and I'll catch you on the next video. Create and dominate, baby.